Buenos dias, señoras and señoritas. We have 2 hours hike to the mountain, to the summit, and then 2 hours back. Alright, without no further ado, let's drive another 43 miles and see you at the point of the parking spot. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise.
I've got very dry lips and I just used lip balm.
It's big.
It's a little bit pinky. But that's okay, because I like to look stylish when I'm hiking 2 hours up in the mountains. By the way, we've arrived at the car park and we're gonna hike up. First kilometer. I hope my lips are still nice and pinky. We can see now where the target is. I think it's up there. Kilometer number 4. What do you reckon, Joanna? She's dying a little bit.
I had
40 years old.
I'm dying. My heart, my lungs, I can feel them all day this morning. But I know in a half an hour it will be much better. Let's go.
That's where we came from. We're going for a swim over there afterwards. We still got 1 kilometer to go. This way. Unreal. Was it worth it? It's meant to be 6 kilometers, but actually 7. 2 hours took us.
How is the feeling?
The feeling is great. Just look at it. You could push me off there and then no one would find me.
Oh, let's try.
It's 800 meters drop.
Oh, sweetheart. Oh, you're so sweet. To jest proteinowe, dobre. Miam, miam. No, dobre jest. Nie zgub. No. No i zażarliśmy, już nie ma. Papa.
Was it worth it? What do you think?
So worth it.
That's a trip, not my lips. Very dry.
Yes, very nice.
It's very nice.
Eventually I'm happy.
She's happy now because we're going back.
Yes, let's go.
I don't
Let's
like to go
run.
down here.
Let's run quickly and then we're gonna have to go for a swim.
Get on. Very dry lips. Start to
He
think
likes
of God
pink
now.
color.
Yeah,
So we don't like that now, guys. He's just not telling everyone.
Yeah. Thank
He
you,
likes
darling.
pink color.
Always. Hello. She's got some milk. I reckon a lot of
I
it.
think that's balls.
No.
I don't know.
Kilometer 12 and a half. We still got, I think, 1 kilometer to go.
It's 12.5.
14 kilometers, 4.5 hours. Not bad, not bad. Off to the beach now. Not this one, but it's gonna be as,
No, not that one.
as spectacular as this one.
A bit better.
A bit better. What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
Let's see. The pepper again. I love it.
Burger and some fries. Because we have 3.5 kilometers one way to walk to the beach. Yes, Joanna? 3.5 kilometers to the beach. The one you want to see.
Sorry,
It's pretty.
you will have to do that. And then we're gonna go on a nice long walk.
Okay. Okay. That's what we needed after a long walk in the mountains somewhere.
I'm making him to walk more today.
3 kilometers more. One way.
Yes. Sorry, darling, I love you.
How dare you!
Coco, Coco. I think some bird is calling you.
Really?
Coco, Coco. Kaka, kaka. 7 o'clock? No, quarter to 7. We've done 20 kilometers. Going back to the apartment now. A little bit tired, what about you, Jonah?
Yes, a bit.
Halfway! Halfway! 3 kilometers done. 3 kilometers to go.